Hello guys, welcome to the Tarot Universe. So today we're gonna see um, what does your crush feel about you. Okay, so let's see from these cards what does your crush feel about you. I'm getting likes from you guys. I can see comments coming in, and I'm so happy for that. I'm so happy that you guys like my video. I'm so happy that these are resonating to you. So please, let's see how does your crush view you. Okay, how does your crush view you? What does he think about you? Okay, a lot of cards. Okay, we have 5 cards. Okay, one by one, let's take in. Okay, okay, practice gratitude. So a person thinks you are not that thankful as you should be. Okay, so your person thinks that you should be grateful for everything that God is giving you, everything that you get. Okay. Last quarter moon in Sagittarius. You guys might be Sagittarius or he might be Sagittarius. Practice gratitude. I feel that the person thinks that you should be more grateful to things. Yeah, Scorpio. Okay. So next card goes you or this person might be Scorpio again. So go deeper. So he thinks that you are not empathetic or sympathetic to people, more of empathetic. He thinks that you should be grateful, you should understand other people's feeling, you should reciprocate. Okay, we have also Taurus. Okay, first moon in Taurus. So release control. So he thinks that you control yourself, you control your emotions. So you might have childhood trauma or past trauma. I don't think so that this person knows about it, but might be also this person can know because he seems not to say these things to you. He maybe you have shared him. Yes, you might have shared him about, like, your past connections or your past traumas or something. So he thinks you should practice more gratitude and you should feel other people's emotion. You have become so hard, so solid with your emotion that you have forgotten to be kind and caring towards people. Yes, push through your insecurities. We have first quarter moon in Cancer, a lot of water sign. Okay, we have earth sign also. Yes. So last quarter moon in Cancer. So he thinks that you are insecure and you have built walls around you. Yes. He thinks you have built walls around you and he wants you to break those walls. He wants you to release control over those walls. He wants you to feel his emotion more, obviously. He wants you to feel what he feels for you. He wants you to be thankful for everything. And he wants, let's see the last card. Be proud of yourself. He wants to be proud. He wants you to be proud of who you are. He sees you are insecure. He feels you're insecure. He knows it. He wants you to be proud of who you are and he wants to be grateful for that. He wants you to release all controls and push through all the insecurities that life brings you. Okay? So, yes. Okay. Let's see how this person felt when he last saw you, when you last met. Okay, I just want one card, universe. I just want to know how this person felt when they met. When, okay, this person seems to, this person wants you to release control, but he will not let you know how he feels for you. Let's see, does he have the same feeling as you have for this person? Universe, please guide me. Please think about your person. True and true. Okay, a lot of cards again. Universe, one card a time. A lot of cards, a lot of cards, a lot of cards. Universe, please, one card at a time. Think about your person, the crush. Okay, still two cards. Okay, let's see. What did he feel for you? We have 10 of Pentacles and we have the Moon reverse. Okay. First of all, you are not the person that he wants. He didn't know he would, you are a package for him. You are a whole package for him. But if you'd ask him, then he would deny that fact. Like, you are a whole total package for him, but he would deny to have you. Yes. Why would he deny to have you? Let's see, bottom of the deck we have the Hermit. Okay. Maybe he's at the pause right now. He's here in a pause. We have Two of Pentacles. Yes, he's at a pause. He's balancing. Maybe he just came out of a relationship. Yeah, maybe he just came out of a divorce, a relationship, or something. So right now he doesn't want to, make he wants to be very careful of the things he's choosing right now. Yes. Let's see how he views you. So let's see how he views you. Okay. So again, you might let's see. So any of y'all can be one of these. Okay, y'all might be Sagittarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Cancer, and Taurus. Taurus twice. So both of y'all might share these signs. Okay. Okay. This person told you to release control, but I think he should release some control. He's also holding himself. He himself is holding himself. Yes. Okay. Let's see how he views you. What he feels about you. What he feels about you. Okay. What he feels about you. Date. He wants to date you. Maybe there's an online texting that's going on, that you want to date, or he's looking forward for a date. He wants to take you out. Okay. We have some here pictures. He's looking at your pictures. He's stalking you guys. Yes. All the nostalgia and making memories came, but he wants to make new memories with the date card over here. Yeah. He has that butterfly feeling with you. He gets butterflies when he's with you. Mirror. Yeah, I knew you both were mirroring each other's energy, because he over here, he thinks that you should release control and push through your insecurity, where he is not releasing control over here. Yes, he's not releasing control over here. He's holding himself with the Hermit. Yes, yeah, with the Hermit card, it was not reversed, it flew away, so I kept it back. I didn't notice it was reversed. So yeah, with the Hermit card, he is holding emotions. Yeah, he should go deeper too. Whatever, like, he wants you to practice gratitude, look deeper into your emotions, be proud of who you are, and push your insecurities to release control. But same thing lies to him, which is why the mirroring energy came here. Yes. One more card, universe. One more card. Okay, here we have sunglasses. Yeah, I told you he was stalking you with this card. Yeah, he's stalking you. He's seeing maybe your Instagram, or if you have YouTube or you do something like that, you're online, or yeah, new phase, rekindle growth, arise from ashes. He wants clarity in the situation. He wants this new phase, and he wants to take this forward. How does he perceive if you are being in this relationship? Let's see how does this relationship is helping you. Is it is it good for you, or like in the near future? Okay, okay, let me take out um if this relationship is going 6 months. Okay, let's see, 6 months from now. Okay, I'll take out three cards. So first half, second half, and third half. Okay, so 2 months each. Okay, so God, please, universe, please guide me. God, please guide me with this person's emotions, with my viewers' emotions, with the person's, with the crush's emotions. See where this thing is going. Please, God, help me. Please, yes, please. Three cards, God, three cards, three cards, three cards, three cards. Okay, I don't know. I feel if maybe you're like your decks is very clean or something, because I'm a very messy person. If you've seen my videos little, I get messy and I have to keep settling myself, settling these decks. Okay, we have so many cards. So I'm not taking these. Okay, but again, universe three cards. Universe three cards. First half. Okay. First half, universe three cards, three cards, three cards. No, a lot of cards. He likes being with you, although. Okay. First half, we have Four of Cups. Okay. I think for the first half, it will be very slow. You don't know where this is leading to, whether this thing is right or wrong. Although it might feel peaceful, but you actually don't know where this connection is going. Maybe he will not even tag this connection for the first half, for the first 2 months. He will keep you stuck. Okay. The second half, I have this judgment. Yeah, second half, he's gonna take something for you. Second half, he's gonna stand or do something for you. Yeah, he's gonna name or something for you. Okay. Third half, let's see. Third half, we have. Okay. Third half, he's still not approached you. So yeah. Although with the Seven of Cups, although you stand ahead of all the options he has, but still, I just want to clarify some messages. I just want to clarify. I just want to clarify some cards. Okay. I just want to clarify some cards. Four of Cups. Four of Cups. Universe. One card at a time. One card at a time. One card at a time. Okay, we have the Fool. Yes. He's gonna act all of a sudden hot and cold. Sometimes he's hot, sometimes he's cold with you. Sometimes he thinks that you're the everything. He will, when he's with you, he gives you all the attention in the world. Like he's the man, but when suddenly he gets distant, yes, he'll act immature. He's mature, but he will act immature. And why it's happening, you'll all be confused. Universe, please, judgment. Yes, judgment. We have, okay. He's gonna fight for what he's feeling. Yes. Justice. Justice at the bottom. Yes, so he thinks that you're worthy of this connection. And since you're mirroring each other's energy, I feel it's a karmic bond too, or maybe a twin flame. Mostly a twin flame. But he's gonna take, like, he's gonna stand up for you for this second half. Like, as though he's taking some, like, some step for you. Yeah. So again, third half, seven of swords. Universe, please clarify. Why are you so confused? Why you don't know what to do? This, your person is like, everything is in his mind. A lot of energies are in what are in. What am I saying? I can't find my words. Maybe this person, when he's talking to you, he yeah, he fails to find words. Mm. Seven of Swords. He will hide some things from you, and he doesn't want to get into a committed relationship as of yet. Although he wants, and the universe is guiding him towards it, you are the fulfillment that he needs. But he doesn't want you with the reverse of moon. With the reverse of moon energy, he doesn't want this ten of wands. He's like taking step for you, but then he will run away from this connection. Okay, he will run away from this connection. Why is, maybe he has his past trauma, people. Why he's running away from this connection is, why is he running away from this connection? He's hiding his true feelings, pretending and deluding, gaslighting, personifying, enjoying each other's company. Okay, so right now he's not ready for this, committed phase of relationship. He wants a, go with the flow phase. He likes you, that is true. He needs this 10 of pentacles right now, but he's not ready to accept this 10 of cups right now. Yes, you are the 10 of cups, you are the fulfillment to him, but he doesn't see your value here. Yes, he won't see your value here because he feels you're not the person he prayed for. Because his 10 of cups, his mentality is different. I don't want to deliver wrong messages to you guys. This might sound something else. I might sound very harsh to you, but this is the fact. This person doesn't know what he needs. He wants something, but he needs something else. You are the need. But just because he doesn't want it, he doesn't understand that he's saying no to his need right now. Yes. So I just want one guidance for you guys. One guidance card for you guys. Just one guidance card. Universe, one guidance card. I'm getting two. Forgive, lighten up. Okay, so there may be a lot of things that has happened between your Pisces and Leo. So forgive each other and lighten up. If you want to go in this connection and you think it is good for you, well and good. Forgive, go with the flow, but I don't think so you should pressurize this person into giving you a tag kind of thing. I don't think you should tell this person, I need this tag of being in a relationship. Go with the flow, enjoy, lighten up, but I don't think this person is ready to, you know make you his future person. Yes, and he is totally hiding his intentions with you. So be careful of what you're getting into with this person. Be very careful. Be very careful. Seven of Cups again. Nine of Pentacles reverse. So over here also we have Empress Reserve. He doesn't think you are the woman. Seven of Cups was reverse. Although you are the best of his options, that is true, but it is not what he wants. Actually, he doesn't know what he needs. You are the best person that he needs right now, right always. But he thinks like I'm better off without it. He thinks that. He'll know. He will get his reward. Like it depends now. How you want to value this connection, how you want to go forward with this energy or no. If you think like no, I am good without this person, and until unless this person doesn't give me a tag or something, a committed relationship or something, I am not going anywhere with this person, and I'm gonna value me or something. It's good. It's your choice only. But if you want to go with the flow, go with the flow. But you should know your person is lying, your person is talking, your person is pretending, your person is putting a mask on. You're not what he wants in a long run. So therefore, he might in middle because of pressure, like in between, he might stand up to say that I want to give you commitment and everything, but at the end he's gonna like when you are like into him, when you are in the commitment phase and you have given him all your energy, he will back off. He will back off because he is not ready to be in that zone where he is ready to give commitment. But just because he wants you, but he likes you obviously, which is why he has these now. He wants you to practice gratitude, release your control, push through your insecurities, go deeper. Okay, okay, this was later. Be proud of yourself. He wants you to do all this thing, and he suffers from the same thing, right? He suffers from the same things. These two came up later. Okay, so yeah, he wants you to have all these things, push through, release control, and give yourself to him fully in terms of emotions. But he's not ready to give you the value and the support in a connection that you need. So I don't think so this is like the person that you need in a life. You might be good for him, but he's not good for you. uh, you will see, I am there to tell you, but you have your own gut feeling, you have your intuitions, you know what your gut feeling is saying, you know how your belly button has been, how your body, how your nervous system, how your mind has been reacting. When you feel butterflies in a relationship, that does not mean that is a good relationship. You should feel peaceful and calm in a relationship, and that is the actual relationship that you need. This butterfly thing is not you need, because it lasts one day, 2 day. How long will you feel the butterfly? All your 80, like if you say, like if you get married with 20, 25, around 25, 30, so you're 40 to 50 years with a person. Are you going to feel butterfly all the 40 to 50 years? No. Butterfly is just the honeymoon phase. So if you feel calm, enlightened and good with this person, and your nervous system doesn't react, your pimples don't come up, your body doesn't feel bloated, then this person is yours. And you will say, ha Didi, I feel this. But no. Okay, now some of you might like this reading, some of you might not. So claim this reading if you like it. If you do not like it, it's okay. You are free to go and see other readings. And I am not sorry, because whoever needs this reading, it is for you. So I am not sorry if I am hurting anyone's emotions or feelings, but if this has come up on your feed, this is for you. And if this is not something that is happening right now, or you don't have a crush right now, it might be later on in some point of time in future. So I hope I can bring this reading as much as possible to you guys, and I hope I don't want this to resonate with anybody, because I don't want anybody to be playing with anybody this way. But I just hope everything goes well. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a very good day.